Hello, friends. Welcome to our Tuesday lunch chat. Oh, it's such a big week. I'm already a little bit abuzz with anticipation. Some might call it antsiness. Some being like, you know, what my mother would say when I was 8 and couldn't sit still. I just dropped something on the floor. Just a second. Okay. Thing retrieved. Did you see me look down? So yay! It is the week of our 20th anniversary. Technically we turned 20 on July 3rd, but that's not so convenient to celebrate right around the 4th of July. So we bumped it a week, and this is the big week. So all of the fun kicks off on Thursday with a pop-up shop from Yvonne Ellsworth, who is our local hometown dyer. LavenderSheep Yarns is her company. LavenderSheep Fibers, LavenderSheep Yarns. LavenderSheep. And she's born and raised here, and she was here with us for the first over 10 years. And she's part of the Not Another Hat family for sure. She did kind of have to move to Washington, but that's still very close. So since she's been here since the beginning, she's going to have a pop-up shop at the store. It's kind of a full circle thing. And she's bringing really special bases that are not bases we carry, because we do have her yarns in the store. So you'll get a really great selection of LavenderSheep goodness. So that's starting on Thursday. And then Friday, oh my goodness, pop-up shop in the store continues. But we also have Yvonne teaching a dye workshop from 2 to 5. I'm sorry it is sold out right now, but if you want to put your name on the waiting list, you never know. We can certainly let you know if there's any cancellations. So yes, it's going to be so much fun. It's going to be hot as Hades, but it's always a good time when Yvonne's teaching a dye class. So we'll be doing that Friday afternoon, and then Friday from 5:30 to 9 is knit night at my house, stitch night at my house, crochet night at my house. Just sit in a chair in the backyard at my house. And you can sign up to come to that through this little form that we have at our on our website. So that's just a really like laid back, we're all just having an excuse to get together, and maybe we'll make some stitches or whatnot. But there will be some beverages. You can bring a snack to share if you'd like. You can also expect to find cake. Because I love cake. So then Saturday is open house here in the store. So like just to come and enjoy being here, because we love having you here. And I know that that's such a big part of who we are you people, and the community that you create when you're all here. So we're just celebrating that all day. We've got special products, which I'm going to show you some of those right now. We're going to have prizes. I'm going to show you those, like a ton of prizes. And we're going to have cupcakes and just a good time all day Saturday. Then on Sunday, it's not over yet. Sunday, the bunny comes. Oh. So Tammy from Sinfully Soft Yangoras is bringing a newish bunny for her. It is an English Angora bunny. And I saw a video with her name is Maze. I saw a video with Maze. And holy hairballs, that bunny is cute. Cute. So Bunny will be here. I'm not sure about Maze, but I know the last time we had a bunny visit, you could actually just have the bunny in your lap and pet the bunny. Oh, it was really fun. So definitely come and check that out on Sunday, and you can meet Tammy from Sinfully Soft Yarns. Sinfully Soft Angoras. Words. Okay, before I dive into the anniversary things I want to show you, we got to talk real quick about the hue of the moment this month, July, from Madeline Tosh. And the name, these yarns are so much fun because of their names. Here we have Scoop de Jour. The scoop of the day. All things gelato and sherbet and ice cream and frozen and neon delicious. Scoop de jour. So we've got DK, several skeins in the DK. We only have one left of Merino Light because this one was popular. So if you're interested in collecting the July hue of the moment, it's a great one. Scoop de jour. So fun. Makes me laugh. Anything that makes me laugh or chuckle gets 2 thumbs up for me. Woo! Are you ready to see some of the fun we have in store? Okay, first off, just because it would be too smooth if everything was just ready to roll with no hiccups, we have a couple things that are, you know, taking their sweet time to get here. So unfortunately, there are a couple of products that are awesome, and I can't show them to you yet because they're gonna really, really, truly like, we're talking scheduled delivery Thursday between 11 and 11 p.m. I mean, nothing like making me stress. So unfortunately, you'll just have to wait and be surprised when the pictures come out and they go online on Friday to see what those things are. They're really cool too, I promise. But let's talk about this one real quick. This is my new design. If you're in the club, you saw this in yesterday's newsletter because of course club members get new patterns free. This is called Bowl of Cherries, and this is the exclusive colorway that Yvonne has dyed special for us for our anniversary. The colorway is called 20-something. I love it. And it is a color that works really well for planned pooling. It also happens to match our special anniversary logo. See how clever she is. And so I immediately thought of planned pooling. I thought of little baubles. As I started working on this design, cherry season in the gorge was just getting off the ground. I come from cherry family. Obviously, this is Bowl of Cherries. So this is a bandana cowl. It is fingering weight. It's made out of Shaniko Fingering. And there's a small seam in the back. It's knit flat. And the seam kind of goes on the bias once you've sewn it up. Easy, really. I love bandana cowls. I love how easy they are to wear. Does that look really funny when I'm like scrunching it over my face? Because they just sit where they're supposed to and you don't have to fiddle with them. So they're just like the scarves you gotta wrap, then you gotta figure out where to put the ends. Shawls, you gotta either like affix with a shawl closure or somehow get them like perfectly placed with the ends wrapped and down. You just put this over your head and you're done. It's warm, it's cozy, it looks amazing. So anyway, I personally really love a good bandana cowl. So this is Bowl of Cherries. It is available on our website. You will get this pattern free if you buy one of the skeins of our special colorway that Yvonne will be bringing. So that'll be available on Friday. Special stuff all becomes available Friday. So Carol asked if the baubles were part of the yarn. So I was just throwing around words like planned pooling without fully thinking through that you might not know what I'm talking about. So this yarn, which the skeins are coming with Yvonne when she gets here Wednesday, so I'm sorry I can't show you right now, but it is mostly blue with this big kind of patch of this reddish pink color. And that's how it's been dyed specifically to do that. So what you do, Carol, is you just knit in stockinette following the pattern. And when you start to hit the red part of your yarn, I've got a little cherry stitch in my pattern and you make the cherry. You make the cherry. So that's how this works. The yarn just changes colors, and when you encounter the color change, you follow this little textured instruction. So very nifty, right? And it just ends up like evenly distributed all over. It's brilliant. That's what it is. Okay, so that's the first thing to fly this anniversary weekend. So I think I might have shown you already our cute little project bags that we've got for the anniversary weekend. These will be available for purchase. And then, well, of course, we'll have Yvonne's skeins, Shaniko Fingering in 20-something. And I'm so excited about this. We've got two special colorways of unicorn tail bundles. So these are 8 bundled Madeline Tosh unicorn tails, and this is the first one, and this was called KAH Forever because these are basically our classic colors. It's a little artsy, but this is the idea. When we first opened, our paint was like Neapolitan ice cream, like light beige, pink, white, and so this just speaks to me. So there are a lot of projects that you can do with the with 8 unicorn tails, including excuse me, my hat, straight to my head. It's a colorwork hat that works really well when you're just changing colors willy-nilly. So it's written for 5 colors, but you very easily could just change colors more often and use one of these special bundles. There's another one. This one is called Here's to the Next 20. And this one is in honor of our 20-year artwork that our amazing graphic designer Ilona did for us. So we've got here fun, funky, the pink, the turquoise, the brown. So these are 2 special things that we'll have, KAH forever, and here's to the next 20. So watch for that. Then we also have a custom Della Q bag. That's one of the things not here yet. And some beautiful little Katrinkles tools. So yes, the pattern is available. Bowl of Cherries is available already. And if you're a club member, it's free. But if you would like to buy the yarn and get the pattern free, that will not become available till Friday morning. I think I was answering somebody's question. It already spun by, but hopefully that made sense. So now let's talk about swag. Yeah, swag. So every order, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, is going to get our little anniversary swag pack. And that includes this amazing highlighter tool. I showed this several weeks ago, but in case you didn't see it, all these little like flower petals, they're highlighters. Perfect for marking up patterns and charts. Aren't these amazing? And this is our great little Know Your Cuts of Wool, fresh sheep, fresh knits, fresh sheep. That's got a different connotation. Fresh knits since 2005. My sister did this artwork for us. So every order will get a highlighter. Everybody who orders Friday, Saturday, Sunday until we run out, quantities are limited, we've first 100, gets an enamel pin with this year's logo, or this anniversary logo, and a sticker with the same, and a cute little bag charm slash stitch marker. It's either a removable stitch marker or a bag charm, however you would like to use it. But those are also not here yet. They'll be here. So those are all of the fun things that we have available for you to buy that we would kindly ask you to purchase, or that you will get when you make a purchase. But now let's talk about the prizes. Okay, we reached out to our favorite vendors and your favorite yarn makers and told them we were turning 20 and we would love it if we could shower our community with door prizes. And boy, did they respond. So I've got them just random here. We'll go through them. We are going to be giving these out throughout the weekend. So we'll be doing a variety of things. We'll give some out at Stitch Night. We'll give some out just at a random hour for anyone in the store. And then we'll give several of them out. We'll draw randomly out of all purchases for the weekend. So of course, if you're buying online, you're eligible as well. So, okay, first up, we have a Blue Sky kit from Blue Sky Fibers. This is a skein of their absolutely delicious extra. It's an alpaca merino blend, and there is a little QR code in there for a pattern download that you can do with that yarn. Thank you, Blue Sky Fibers. Next, from Bryson Distributing, this is Oregon company that we love to work with. We have this crochet and go set. So it is a multi-crochet hook set in a nice little portable package, portable case. That's the right word. Let's see. We've got a doodle project bag. Oh, yes. And thank you, Dream in Color, for these 2 beautiful skeins of Smushy with Cashmere. What? Thank you so much, Dream in Color. Again, this is why we love these companies, and this is why we like to give them our dollars, which is kind of like you giving them your dollars, is because they really treat us well. And they know what you guys like. All right, this is from Barocco. This is a big one. Thank you, Barocco. an entire bag, 10 balls of papery, which is available on our website. And it is one of their new yarns for this season, spring, summer. And it is a cotton paper blend, like literally, but you can knit it and wear it. Yes. And included with that is the papery design book, which has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 patterns. So, and then another little coupon from Barocco to get another Barocco pattern for half off. So thank you so much, Barocco. That is very generous. Delaque bag says, filled with love and yarn. And thank you, Tosh, for these gorgeous skeins of Twist Light. 2 skeins here. That is their fingering, plied. I get these all confused. They have so many fingering. Where's the yarn? Merino nylon blend. Okay, there we go. Fingering plied merino nylon blend. Twist Light. Okay, that's another one. Another one from Bryson Distributing is this cut, weave and wear. Crochet hook, no knitting needles. Clearly, I don't really know what it is. It's some kind of cool scarf kit that you can do with 0 skills. That is basically what it is. If you don't know how to weave, knit, crochet, none of it, you can make that scarf. So that's a really fun kit because then you don't have to be one of our most extreme people to enjoy winning that. In fact, you could gift it to someone that you would like to pull to the dark side. Okay, there's still more. So next up, gorgeous little backpack satchel from Treasure Goddess Yarn. Thank you, Christine. And thank you, Jameson's. I'm not going to get them all out, but there is a full 10 skeins of this double knitting Jameson's yarn, which is the Shetland. Is it Shetland? Sorry. Yeah, Shetland wool, but it's the DK weight. 10 skeins in this beautiful, like, oh gosh, there's so much going on in this blue. Yeah, so thank you so much, Jameson's. And then we have another awesome Treasure Goddess bag. With 2 skeins of the bamboo linen, bamboo linen treasures, which is bamboo linen fingering weight, 437 yards. And this colorway is Orchid Island. So, woo, thank you, Christine. See, aren't they generous? Okay. I think one of these is another one of what I just showed you. Yes, so this one is another 2 skeins of Orchid Island and a bag from Christine. And then this is 1 skein of the bamboo linen treasure and 1 skein of the yak silk DK in this beautiful deep wine color. So, how do you stop these prizes? Okay, there's still 2 more. All right, we've got a Likey project bag here, and then from Malabrigo, a whole bag of Rios, 5 skeins. The color is, I almost said the color is Donación, which just means donation. Where's the color? Did they not label it? I think it's like a one-of-a-kind thing. So it's actually, whoa! It's like a beautiful green, but it's got no color name, which means that's like you. You're the only one with that. Oh, somebody's gonna be lucky to win that. Okay, last but not least, we have this beautiful bag. It's got our name on the back. And thank you, Yarn Citizen, a whole bag of Trinity Cashmere. Yeah. This shit's the bomb. Okay. That was the end of the prize roundup. So I felt like I didn't have a lot to talk about today, but here it is 20 minutes later. So it took a long time to get through all of those. You can see we got a lot going on. We would really, really love to see you or hear from you or just see your name come through the order list this weekend as we celebrate 20 years of knitting together. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.